My neck, my back,
so buttery brown.
my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
so buttery brown. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
my neck, my back, my back, 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 my neck, my back, my back.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up,
brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, and turn your goofy down. Pow, pow, slip on it, yes, let's turn it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it. I'ma bust it open, go stupid and get it. I don't date honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile of the Ronnie. Rep queen, like supreme, ass web, the nigga, ass bring me in chow. You can run me my dog, this game is squeezing like you're waiting the cow. Nigga's name is Nicky, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. What on the dope, what on when they talking about? All these gunsmen and niggas get my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should pay once a month, cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and you bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up.
And I was like, we're only friends.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause thug a bitch toes. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches, where the niggas at?
And I was like,
I'm tryna get my coochie scratched, yeah.
can't come outside today. That means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out every night. Bragging on that nigga top, he better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch would. Got my foot up on their necks, as a bitch should. On the grind, I'm F-R-E-E, fuck niggas free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck niggas free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L.
Let it clear up. Hey y'all, I came back to show y'all how the wig came out. I need to fix that baby hair, but it's real nice. I did cut the bottom to make it like a all the way even look, but I love this wig. Get into it. I did a no part. I didn't show y'all me doing my baby hair because I had to run somewhere, but I'm finna give y'all the details real quick on this wig. It is, in the price and what length and everything. Okay, this is a 13x4 HD transparent lace. Transparent for sure, transparent. Y'all getting to see these lashes, come shop, okay? 180 density, 4/27 color because it's brown and it's blonde color. I got the 22 inch and it's $163.99. And if you want to purchase this wig, please shop in my Amazon storefront. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. What? I love you guys and I hope y'all enjoyed this mini wig install video. I love y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye y'all.